So as you can see, it's super quiet.
Oh, DK, I'm telling you, I know that you're saying that because I'm on a busy road and next to a construction site that's going to be there for 15 years, that it's an issue. But I'm telling you, we love it. We absolutely love being on a busy street. Tell the buyers no front neighbors and tell them it's super quiet. Of course I'll show you. Yeah, come on. It's super quiet. Come on, let's take a look. I'll show you.
Yeah, so as you can see, it's super quiet. I mean, it's very calming and serene. There's barely any cars that go by. I mean, okay, one, but okay, two, but barely any cars. And you know, these guys are never here, really. I mean, they're cutting the grass today, but they're rarely here. And I mean, well, the crane? Oh, we love the crane. Oh, at Christmas time, they just decorate it and they hang Christmas lights. And my family and I, we climb to the top. We put a star right on top. No, this is great. You tell the buyers. It's a great location. Awesome. Yeah, so as you can see, it's super quiet. You can't hear it at all. No, this is great. We love it. So calming. I can't sleep without this noise. Yeah, it's awesome.
Oh, yeah. So anyway, DK, what do you think we can get for our house? Do you think that we're going to get at least 300,000 more than the other one on the quiet street? Yes.